Hello, good morning. Today I am going to discuss about what is called the pattern printing. Various patterns like putting a 1 star, 2 stars and 3 stars, or printing patterns like this. So these are generally asked questions in the beginning of programming. So it is very simple. What you need to do is you need to first write 1 star and then go to the next line. Again draw 2 stars and go to the. So you write 1 and you get it controlled by what is called n, and you can write it. So you can simply write printf this star and this. See, the purpose of this loop is to print the given number of asterisks. Supposing this is 1 asterisk, n is 1, it prints 1 asterisk. If n is 2, it prints 2 asterisks. If n is 3, it prints 3 asterisks. So to print 1, first n should be 1. To print 2 asterisks, n should be 2. To print 3 asterisks, n should be 3. To print 4 asterisks, n should be 4. So if you can control, if you change the value of n to 1 first time, it will print this. If you change the value of n to 2, it will print this. If you change the value of n to 3, you print this. So this must be changed. So what we do is you supply another value for that. You say that n is 1 and n less than or equal to n lines, and you can write n plus plus. So how many lines you want? If you want 3 lines, 1, 2, 3, if you want 3 lines to be printed, the n lines value will be 3. So here n lines value will be 3. So you can prompt for entering the value of n lines. That's all. You prompt for the n lines. If the value of n is 3, this will print this one. But what is it will print 1, it will print the 2 stars, it will print the 3 stars. But before that, after printing this 1 star, you should go to the next line. So in order to go to the next line, you need to put one new line character here, and it should begin with. So first you write n is 1, n less than or equal to n lines, and write n plus plus 1, and you immediately shift to the new line, beginning of the new line. And this is a compound statement. So printf /n, I put a semicolon and write this. And the completing the program is very simple. Now you can prompt int, you can say there is n is used, one I is used, n lines is used. So these are the 3 variables which are used for this program. And as usual, you can write a main function and write here the other directives required for this program. So it is finished. You can do it. Supposing if you want to print these numbers also 1, 2, 3, then what you can do is here you can make a slight modification. You can say this /n and you can write printf %d n. That's enough. So n is initially 1, therefore it will print 1. Second time n is 2, therefore it will print 2. Third time n is 3, therefore it will print it. So by slight modification, you will be able to change this program for printing different patterns. Supposing if you want it to be printed this way, again change it slightly. Again change it slightly in terms of this condition. If you slightly change it, you will be able to print the different pattern. So make an observation of how to draw the pattern and apply the logic correspondingly. Thank you.